Hi guys, it is HardReset.Info channel and today I will show you how to add website shortcut icon to home screen on your Lenovo Tab M8. Firstly, you must open Google Chrome and go to the website which you want to add to your home screen. In my case, it's HardReset.Info. When we are on it, we must press 3 dots on the right corner and now navigate to the Add to Home screen. We press that and there we can change name of our shortcut icon. After that, confirm all by Add and secondly Add to Home screen. And that's all, we have our shortcut icon on our home screen. Thanks for watching, bye!